If your microwave turntable isn't operating correctly, there are a few things you can check before calling for service. First, make sure the turntable button on the microwave control panel isn't set to off. Some microwaves allow the turntable to be turned off for manual cooking, which is helpful when plates are bigger than the turntable or set side by side. Locate the turntable button and make sure the turntable off signal is not activated on the microwave display. If it is, press the turntable button to re-engage the turntable. Next, make sure the turntable is the correct side up and sitting securely on the turntable support. Lastly, make sure the turntable support is working properly. Remove the turntable, remove and clean the turntable support and rollers. When you're finished cleaning, replace the support and rollers, and make sure the turntable is securely in place. Place 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, on the turntable and start the microwave oven.